Today we're gonna be making a snow globe, and it's gonna be pretty fun.
It'll be fun. Can you tell them what all the kit includes?
It comes with a tiny snowman, a tree, and like kind of looks like glitter, but
Yeah, glitter.
something.
This has it listed here.
Oh, glitter packet. What does that say?
Shatterproof.
Shatterproof snowman. A tree.
All right, let's get this.
Open.
Let's open this up and make this happen.
All right. Ooh, that's something nice.
Yeah, that's good. That's right. Dump everything out.
I bet you can get in here.
All right, there's detents in the lid where all of the accessories go. So construct it up.
This is probably gonna go. There's like little holes, and the peg is probably gonna go in there.
Yeah.
And then the tree right here is gonna go in that tiny peg, so they can like lock this. Well, I guess we got something
Cool, yeah.
like, started.
Tree looks a little deformed, huh?
We can tidy it. This is gonna be good.
Okay.
Snow globe.
Okay, let's dump your glitter in the globe.
How do you open this?
Whoa. You want me to open it?
Yeah, so you don't make a big mess.
You hold that.
Yeah.
I'll open it. And I'll let you dump it. Everybody loves glitter.
Not mom here, Dad.
Yeah, not everybody, huh?
In the house especially.
Let's say pour this water in
How about
until it comes up to like here.
Okay, like just below that little.
Yeah, about there.
Oh
Whoa,
my.
hey-oh.
Here.
Go. It's okay, just put a little water.
That's good.
Right there. That's good. That's perfect.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Okay, can you put that lid on?
Yeah. Well, I'm dumping. I'm drowning. Twist on.
I'll make sure it's tight.
It'll spill everywhere.
We don't want that.
Yeah, but especially the glitter. The water, okay?
Yeah, the water will dry, but glitter,
Oh,
that'll be here forever. Tip it up and shake it.
yeah. See.
Shake it up.
Huh?
Shake it, 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 shake it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Whoa.
look at a snowstorm.
Blizzard. That's cool.
I could have that in my room, like at Christmas time
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
Or just for fun.
Let's get that, get the camera and we'll do a close up.
Ryan's
on
here.
this.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Made a snow globe.
Say hi to the tubers, Ryan.
Hi.
Okay, you want to do the outro?
Yeah.
Or you want to do the outro? Cal will do it.
Alright. So it was nice doing the snow globe, and remember, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment. And we'll see you in the next one.
Comment.
Comments.
Comment.
I don't know how to say it.
Comment.
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 Comments.
There's an
Comments. Yeah, comments. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Thank you.